students, welcome to class. I'm Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. Today it's test time. We're going to be looking at this word bank and we're going to be looking at all of these questions to see if you can match things up. You guys ready? All right, let's do it.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
All right, so let's look at the word bank first here. The answers are no, exploit, yes, sentience, defend, documentary, and processed. Question number 1. Vegans work to have a world where people don't steal anything from animals. Not their freedom, their body parts, their babies, their milk, their eggs, or their lives. Vegans don't. Animals don't what? They don't exploit them. That's right. So let's write that down here. Okay, vegans don't exploit animals. Now, if for some reason you didn't do the test yet, don't worry. You can just pause the video and try to do it and then come back after and see if you get the answers right. So, they don't exploit animals. That means they don't use them in any way. All right, next one we have here. Are vegans allowed to kill insects or any other animals that attack them? Well, some of you might not believe this, but actually, yeah, we are. Vegans are allowed to defend ourselves. So the answer here is yes. Yes, we are allowed to defend ourselves, just as if a human attacked us. Y-E-S spells yes. Now, of course, we're going to try to do our best to avoid any violence. For example, if we have a mosquito in our tent, we'll try to get the mosquito out or of our house. But if it comes to self-defense, yes, we're allowed to protect ourselves. All right, let's go on now to number 3. Do vegans eat shrimp or fish? No, vegans don't eat anyone who has, and the answer is sentience. Sentience is when you feel things. So animals feel things, like chickens have feelings. They can see, they can hear, they have an experience of life, they have preferences. They are sentient. A pencil is not sentient. Okay, so the answer here is no, we don't eat shrimp or fish because we don't eat anyone who has sentience. Let's write the answer here. S-E-N-T-I-E-N-C-E. Boink. All right, so we're doing pretty good here. Let's keep moving on and going to number 4. Vegan phobia is when someone is not just cruel to animals, but also to those who them. Vegan phobia is when you're cruel to animals, but also to people. So the answer is those who defend them. Defend. Let's write that down here. Defend. D-E-F-E-N-D. Vegan phobia is when someone is not just cruel to animals, but also those who defend them. All right, so we're doing pretty good here. We're going through our word bank, and so far we've done number 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're on to number 5. Number 5, we're talking about leather. Leather is someone's skin. Okay, leather could be the skin of a cow. Cows are friends, not food, and they're also not clothing. Do vegans think it's okay to rip off someone's skin and wear it? No, we don't. So do we see the word no in here? There it is. No. Let's write that down. N-O. Boink.
In the grocery store, you can decide to buy soy milk and be vegan from now on. In the grocery store, you can decide to buy soy milk and be vegan from now on.
Let's look at number 6 now. Beans, rice, lentils, chickpeas, potatoes, broccoli, oats, walnuts, flax seeds, kale, carrots, green peppers, and bananas are whole foods, which means they have nothing taken out of them. They're not. Let's look at our list. They're not. We already used the word no and yes, so that's not going to fit. They are not processed. They are not processed foods. Processed foods are kinds of foods that have things taken out of them. So these are not processed. Processed. Now, if we look over here at these foods, these are all whole foods. They are not processed. They're just one ingredient. An apple is a whole food. Broccoli is a whole food. So is corn, blueberries. All of these different foods are whole foods. They come in their natural state. Nothing added, nothing taken away, nothing processed. Not like, let's say you're in the grocery store and you see certain cereals and they have extra sugars and food colorings in them. Or it might be crackers or even something like chips, which have extra fat added to them and salt. So this is not the same thing. These are whole foods. Whole foods are good for you. Now here, what is missing are things like grains, and you don't see any nuts in this list. So grains are whole foods like oats. All the different nuts are also whole foods. You can get lentils that are whole foods and so on. But let's go over here to number 7. Christspiracy is that teaches us that the Bible is highly inconsistent and that Jesus never encouraged people to hurt any animals, not even fish. So that's a very interesting documentary if you haven't yet seen it. And that's the answer. Christspiracy is I think it's in the list up here, documentary. It's a documentary. Documentary is when you see a video that has true stories in it, facts. DOCUMENTARY. There we go. So thanks again for coming to class, everybody. Really appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more of these kinds of videos. Let me know in the comments. Remember that caring is for everyone, and we all make mistakes, but once we know better, we can do better. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's